Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hitman Untitled Boxing Game. First, familiarize yourself with the core controls for movement, punching, and defensive actions. Mastering these basics is crucial for success in the ring. Focus on precise timing for your jabs, hooks, and uppercuts, and always be ready to block or dodge your opponent's attacks. We'll cover these fundamentals to get you started. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to explore advanced combat techniques. Each character has unique special moves that can turn the tide of a fight. Learn to chain your punches into devastating combos, but remember to watch your stamina. Effective stamina management is key to maintaining pressure and avoiding being vulnerable during a match. Practice these to dominate your opponents. A strong strategy is essential for winning consistently. Pay close attention to your opponent's fighting style and look for openings or predictable patterns. Don't be afraid to adapt your approach mid-fight. Sometimes a defensive stance is better than an aggressive one. Consider how the ring itself might offer tactical advantages or disadvantages. Thinking ahead will give you a significant edge. To truly excel, consistent training and progression are vital. Spend time in the gym to boost your boxer's strength, speed, and defense. As you win matches, you'll unlock new skills and better equipment, enhancing your fighter's capabilities. Don't shy away from challenging stronger opponents. These fights offer the best opportunities to learn and refine your boxing prowess. Keep training to become a champion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.